Good morning children, welcome back to our maths class. Let's continue with the same chapter, chapter 4 subtraction. In chapter 4 subtraction also we are going to learn the topic estimation. We have already learned the estimation. In addition also, in subtraction also the same topic we have to learn. Estimation means we have learned as it is Hindi meaning it is Anuman Lagana. Okay. So let us see what is the meaning of estimation. Here we can see estimation means it is a rough calculation. Estimation is a rough calculation, and also it helps us to get a general idea about cost, expenses, etc. Cost, expenses, etc. Just imagine when you are going to buy a fridge, new fridge. Your parents are going to buy a new fridge. They do not know the exact amount, but they will keep something near about 20,000 in their hand, because almost most of the fridge we will get in between 1,000 or 20,000. So they will keep the amount that just they imagine and keep the amount with them. Likewise, in maths also we have to study estimation that we use in our day-to-day life. That cost. Here, it helps us to get a general idea about cost, expenses, etc. Cost means when we go to buy few new things or old things, anything. That is cost. Expenses means that the money we spend from our hand. When we are spending for something, that is called expenses, and cost means things, the amount the things belongs to. So here let us see. Here estimation, and estimation is an answer close to the exact answer. Estimation is the answer close to the exact answer. The correct amount we will not get. Okay, it will be close to the exact answer, but it is not will be the correct amount. Now let us see what are the rules we have to follow in estimation. Now let's explain our topic. First topic is we are going to see to round off a number to the nearest 10. To round off a number to the nearest 10, that we have all the rules and regulations we have already learned in last chapter. So once again I am reminding you, here you are getting a number, 4-digit number, 8,215 and minus 3,000. ones place. I hope you understood this. So the round figure we are getting here answer. Here now we are going to subtract this number 8,220 minus 3,570. So subtraction 0 will remain 0. Here we have to borrow from here and 12 minus 7 5, and here we have only 100. We cannot subtract, so we 1000 we take from here, and here it will be 7. 11 minus 5 6, 7 minus 3 4. Okay, the estimation of number calculation is 4,650. Here we are getting the answer as 4,650. Okay, now we are going to calculate this number also. When we are going to subtract this number also. When we subtract 8,250 in the same way minus 3,567. Here 5 we cannot subtract, so we borrow from here 15, and here it becomes 0. 15 minus 7 it will get us 8, and here in tens place we have 0. We cannot subtract, so we borrow from here and it becomes 10 tens, and here 100. 10 minus 6 will get us 4 and 1. We cannot subtract, again we get from here, and here we give here 7. 11 minus 5 6, 7 400. 4,648. 4,000. Here we are getting the answer as 4,648. So the difference here we have only the number of two difference. Only there is a number two difference. So we have in estimation, when I was explaining, I had told you that answer will be closer. The estimation of answer, the difference, and also the real difference will be closer to the exact answer when we estimate a two number and subtract from the another number. The estimation round figure also and the exact amount also will be closer, same in between two. Here only there is two number difference. Estimation difference and the real number difference, there is only number two difference. Here we are getting again two 4-digit numbers. We have to subtract. First we have to make it round figure of nearest to 10, and we have to subtract. Here when we have already 0. We cannot subtract 9 from 5. So we borrow from here 100 and here it becomes 15 tens. 15 tens. 15 minus 9 we will get as 6. And here we have 2. We cannot subtract 3 from 2. So we borrow from here 12 minus 3, 9. And here it is 6. 6 minus 4, 2. So, your difference you are getting as 2960. When you make it as the round figure, you are getting 2960. Now, let us see the real difference. The real difference number is 7352 minus 4389. Okay, now let us subtract and see. Here we cannot subtract, so we borrow from here. That is, here it becomes 4 and here 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 we are getting as 3 and here it is 4. We borrow from here and from hundreds place and here 14 hundreds and 14 minus 8 we will get as 6 and here we have only 2. We cannot subtract again. So we borrow from here. Here this number becomes 6000 and here 1200. 1200 minus 3 we will get as 9. 6 minus 4 as 2. 2963. The real difference is 2963. Now you understood. I hope. Here you see the difference of this round figure and also the real difference. There is only the number 3 difference. Okay, there is only number 3. 2960 plus 3 is equal to 63. So we can conclude it as there is only number 3 difference. So I have already told you the answer of both will come as closer. Here I will some homework. Yesterday I told you word problems. You don't need to write now. After that I will tell you word problems. Subtraction word problem. Exercise 4E, page number 65. You have to do question number 1 to 5 in your copy. Okay, question number 1 to 5 in your copy. Then, today's homework, exercise 4F. Do question number 1. There are 3 questions. Question number 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 questions that you have to make it in round figure. The question is, estimate the following by rounding off the nearest to 10. I have already told to make round off nearest to 10. So you will do only question number 1. Then there are 3 questions you have to subtract and find out the subtraction, the difference and write down in your copy. Thank you. Have a